Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to block adverts on web browsers. This add-on is called Ublock and it will block adverts on any web browser, both mobile and computer based, and it works brilliantly. So it's available for Firefox, available for Firefox, Opera, Chrome. I'm not sure if there's a one for Internet Explorer. I wouldn't think so. It's Microsoft. Enough said there. Do. Add to Opera. Do. And your block will be in the app stores, add-on stores, extension stores for Chrome and Firefox. There we go. It's been installed. Right. I'll do a speed test just to show. Yeah, see, 11 adverts already blocked. Usually the sites here, bottom, maybe the top at times, have banner ads all over the place. And this is why I love Virgin Media, best internet provider in the UK if you're in a good service area. And by that, what I mean by that is an area that's not oversubscribed. Anyway, there you go. The add-on works brilliantly. Bang bada boom, and you've got free. You no longer have to put up with adverts, which are annoying. Anyway, thank you for watching.